how to build Google Sites. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a Google site. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Sites. Once you're there, click the Sign In button at the top right. You'll need a Google account for this because your site will be saved and managed through it. Once you're logged in, you'll see the option to either start from a template or from scratch. If you're a beginner, templates are great because they give you a head start. But if you want full control over the design, starting from scratch is the way to go. Now, let's add some content. Click the text box option to add text. This is where you introduce your site to visitors, whether it's a blog, a portfolio, or a business site. You can customize the font size, color, and alignment to match your style. Next, you might want to add images, videos, or even links to other pages. Google Sites makes this super easy with simple drag and drop features. You can rearrange elements however you like so your site looks exactly the way you want it. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button, choose a website address that's easy to remember and fits your site's purpose, then hit Publish again. And just like that, your site is live for the world to see. And that's it, you just built a Google site in about 5 minutes. Now it's your turn to explore, experiment, and make something awesome. Thanks for watching.